In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sendgrid account. If you're setting up email for your app or business, Sendgrid by Twilio is a reliable way to send transactional and marketing emails at scale, and getting started only takes a minute. Begin by opening your browser and going to twilio.com and US Sendgrid. This is the official Sendgrid page on Twilio's site. On the top right, click Start for free. That button takes you straight to the sign-up experience. You'll see a simple form. First, enter your first name, then your last name. Use your real details here since they can appear on invoices and in account communications. Next, type your email address. A work or domain-based email is ideal if you're creating this for a business, but any active inbox you control will work. Create a password for your new account. Choose something strong and unique. Think a longer phrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager makes this easy and helps you avoid reusing credentials. Make sure you can remember or retrieve it later since you'll use it to sign into Twilio and Sendgrid. Before proceeding, review the Terms of Service and Privacy Notice. If you're in the EEA or the UK, you may also see additional electronic communications disclosures. Acknowledge or check the box if one appears so you can continue. When you're ready, click Continue to move on. If you prefer not to create a separate password, there's also a one-click option. Instead of filling the form, choose Sign Up with Google. A Google prompt will open. Select the Google account you want to use, then click Continue to confirm. This links your Google login to your new Twilio Sendgrid account and skips manual password creation. After you submit the form or complete the Google flow, you'll be redirected back to Twilio to finish setting up your account. Depending on your region and security settings, you may see prompts to confirm details or personalize your workspace. It's normal for the interface to vary slightly over time, but the flow is the same. Provide your basic info, accept the terms, and continue. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to navigate to the official Sendgrid page, start a free sign-up, enter your name, email, and password, accept the policies, and alternatively sign up with Google by choosing your account and clicking Continue. Keep your login details safe, and you'll be ready to explore Sendgrid's dashboard, set up sending domains, and grow from there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.